Assalamu alaikum friends, we are back with another video. Today we are going to talk about Oppo R19. But before the start of the video, we are requesting you please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon and check out our other channel and website. Links are in the description. So let's start this video. Friends, next generation Oppo phone named R19 is just revealed by the credible source, in which its high resolution render image are also included, which is showing that next year will be pretty exciting with R19 because front camera of the phone is planted inside the display of that phone, just like the fingerprint scanner which we have already seen in the recent phones of this brand. And now Oppo R19 is going to be first phone with the engraved front camera to achieve the maximum resolution of the display. The revealed images of the phone are showing that Oppo's R19 looks pretty different from its other siblings because on the front side you will only watch display, nothing else. There are two back cameras, one is 48 megapixel and other is 2 megapixel. One more thing which seems to be the story of past, that its water drop notch is absent, which is great thing. Now you will get a pan display screen edge to edge without any single cut. Top side of the Oppo brand R19 has small bezels, while the bottom side of this phone seen thicker as compared to its top side of the phone. On the back side of the phone, glass is prominent, and you can say that Oppo is doing special thing. In matter of R19, they introduce a new color option with in-display front-facing camera, but it is too early to say that what will final result of the image taken by front-facing 25 megapixel lens of the R19. Samsung and Huawei are also very amazing brands, but Oppo innovative ideas are just perfect example of Oppo's great work. Size of the screen will be 6.4 inches. As usual, we have seen that this class of smartphone is always using AMOLED panel, so R19 by Oppo is also coming with same kind of display. Corning Gorilla Glass 6 is yet very new in the market, but it seems that this brand has acquired some unit to install them on the display of Oppo R19.